2020 offers bargain hunters plenty of affordable smartphones to pick from. Two of the latest and greatest are the OnePlus 8T and Google Pixel 5. Both offer solid hardware packages complete with cutting-edge 5G networking and friendlier price tags than many other flagship smartphones. But which one should you buy? Both the OnePlus 8T and Pixel 5 offer excellent displays, although the OnePlus 8T offers more screen real estate at 6.55 inches versus the 6 inches. Pixel density is virtually identical between the two, but the 8T does offer a 120Hz refresh rate versus the still speedy 90Hz refresh rate of the Pixel 5. The larger screen results in a bulkier handset though. The OnePlus 8T weighs around 188 grams versus the Pixel 5's 151. It's also the wider and the thicker of the two handsets. Where the OnePlus 8T really pulls ahead is the performance department. The flagship Snapdragon 865 outperforms the Pixel 5's Snapdragon 765G, especially when it comes to gaming and AI workloads. Although the 765G is no slouch for the vast majority of day-to-day workloads, the chip should really help out the Pixel 5's battery life too. You shouldn't notice a performance difference for most apps, but the OnePlus 8T is definitely the better option for those who need gaming or extreme performance. OnePlus also nudges ahead on storage. Both phones come with 128GB flash and 8GB LPDDR4 RAM as a minimum. However, the OnePlus 8T offers a larger 256GB storage option and 12GB of RAM if you are prepared to spend a little more. What the Pixel 5 lacks in brute performance, it makes up for in features. Google includes wireless charging and IP68 rating and the Google Titan M security chip that you won't find in OnePlus' latest offering. However, OnePlus is debuting its blazingly fast 65W wired charging solution with the 8T. Both offer 5G networking support, but there's a millimeter wave option for Pixel 5 customers in the US. The Pixel 5 comes out ahead on high-end extra. The two handsets take different approaches to photography too. Google's main camera is a familiar 12.2 megapixel sensor paired up with new 16 megapixel wide-angle lens and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Google offers some of the best-in-class photography software and post-processing, including night sight, portrait, super res zoom, and improved HDR Plus capabilities. The Pixel 5 is an exceptionally hard handset to best when it comes to photography. OnePlus 8T offers a higher resolution 48 megapixel sensor paired up with a 16 megapixel wide angle lens that offers a wider field of view than Google's equivalent. OnePlus also has included low resolution macro and monochrome cameras. Both phones have big batteries to handle all this hardware. The OnePlus 8T packs a 4500 mAh cell while the Pixel 5 offers a slightly smaller 4080 mAh battery. Both should last a full day in most scenarios, but OnePlus offers the faster charging solution to get you back on your feet. The Pixel 5 on the other hand supports convenient wireless charging and reverse wireless charging to power up your Pixel Buds and other accessories without a cable. Picking a device based on the spec sheets is particularly difficult with the OnePlus 8T and Pixel 5. They are both very appealing handsets with their own pros and cons. However, there is a clear divide between the two that might help you make up your mind. If you desire the very best performance possible, the OnePlus 8T and its high-end Snapdragon 865 processor package are the way to go. Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC in the Pixel 5 and also inside the cheaper OnePlus Nord has proved plenty fast so far, but the Snapdragon 865 is in a different league. Combined with a 120Hz display, the OnePlus 8T is going to feel snappier of the two phones, especially while gaming.